Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Update. Court strike out unlawful nomination suit against Iyamu. Hello, my wonderful people. How are you doing today? A very warm big thank you to every one of you out there. So today was the day the court looked into Governor Gordon Obaseki's case as well as Iyamu's case. Governor Gordon Obaseki, PDP, is suing Iyamu for unlawful nomination by his party, APC. This was a pre-election case. And Iyamu, APC, is suing Obaseki on certificate forgery, saying that the result Obaseki presented was forged. Let's hear, we've presented to you Obaseki's update. Let's hear Iyamu's update from the court today. Update. Court strike out unlawful nomination suit against Iyamu. The Federal High Court on Tuesday strike out suit filed by the People Democratic Party seeking Pastor Osagie Iyamu disqualification from the September 19 governorship election in Edo. Delivering judgment, Justice Ahmed Mohammed strike out the suit on ground that it has become academical. How does it become academic? Okay. The judge also said that he saw no legal benefit that will be accrued to the complainants if the suit succeeded. PDP has dragged the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and the All Progressive Congress, APC, Pastor Osagie Iyamu, to court, praying for an order disqualifying Iyamu from the election on the grounds that he was unlawfully nominated by APC. PDP alleged that he was unlawfully nominated because APC did not conduct a proper primaries to nominate candidates for the September 19 governorship election in Edo State. The party based his allegation on the ground that Mr. Adams Oshomole, who conducted the proposed primaries that nominated Iyamu, was no longer the national chairman of the party and has no right to conduct such primaries at the time the primaries was conducted. The People Democratic Party heard that the APC, having failed to conduct a valid primary election, was not entitled to participate at all in that election. Objecting to the suit, the APC had that the election had already been conducted with the candidate of the People Democratic Party and had won the election. APC also subjected that it was not challenging the outcome of the election. Neither did it petition any winner at the election tribunal. On the last adjournment date, Mrs. Wendley Coco argued that on behalf of INEC has urged the court to dismiss the suit for lack of merit. Similarly, counsel to the APC, Mr. Kionla Kainde San, has prayed the court to dismiss the suit on the ground that the suit was tantamount to Mr. A taking paracetamol for Mr. B. Iyamu counsel Roland Ota San had also prayed the court to dismiss the suit on the grounds that it has become academic since the election had already been conducted and won by Governor Gordon Obaseki, who is the present governor of the state. So there was no need or no rather basis for the conduction of that election, which Governor Gordon Obaseki has won. So this is what happened today. So the APC Iyamu's lawyer said the election has been conducted and has been won by Governor Gordon Obaseki, and that there was no need for this case to continue in any front. That the election is already done and dusted. Obaseki has already won. So trying to dismiss him does not bring any validity or anything particular to the case, that the deed has been done already. So that's their argument. But, and so on that ground, the judge has dismissed the case, saying since the election has been conducted, there is no need to further whether, you know, allow Iyamu or disqualify Iyamu. But what would have happened is, if for, say, let's look at it the other way, if for any other reason, say Iyamu was disqualified, it would not have given Iyamu any grounds to say he wants to take Obaseki to court. That's the other angle to it. Anyway, matter reaching us at the moment is the case against Pastor Sage Iyamu has been struck out by the court today, saying that the case has no merit, it lacks any merit, and that the election has been conducted. Governor Gordon Obaseki has already won the election. So why flog a dead dog? So that's where, on that basis, they had to, the judge had to, Judge Mohammed had to call it a quit. So, I mean, that's what happened today. And Iyamu, the pre-election court case that was postponed till after election, which was given a decision today, has seen the end that Iyamu is free to go on the grounds that the election has been conducted, a winner has already been declared. So why flog a dead horse? So that's what happened today. But tomorrow we'll be knowing the result of Governor Gordon Obaseki's case that was adjourned today. On Obaseki's part, the case, all the evidences were brought before the judge today, and then by tomorrow, the case will be, I believe, we don't know if there'll be still further hearing or more evidences brought on ground. Whatever the case is, it will be, discussed by tomorrow. And other than that, maybe adjourned, we don't know. But stay with us and we'll be keeping you up to date. The most important thing is that Edo State get their desire, the person they've intended and they've wanted to always rule them. What happens is if they get their desire and they are sure that this is the reason why they've gotten the person and the person works in accordance with what they've desired, then Edo State is in for, what they've always wanted. Anyway, my people, elections matter in this country. I think they need to do something about all the preliminaries and even posts so that when election is done and dusted, they don't have to keep going round the circles, looking at the whole clock again. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button. God bless you. Bye for now.